Hey beautiful people, Coran Grant here, and I'm really excited to be talking about something I'm passionate about, which is bettering myself, right? So I've joined this program, Six Figures Closes, run by Kruze. Immaculate. The people in there, not in it for themselves, they're in it for everyone, you know? It's us all moving forward to a collective goal, right? This is something extraordinary, unseen in the market. People, don't do this unless they're passionate about moving forward into something that they know not only will work, but is going to in the long term if they use the resources that have been given to them. If you're on the fence, don't be. This is something that will change your life, whether you're an entrepreneur and successful already like myself, or if you're someone who's working as a tradie, construction. It doesn't matter. This is a system that you can use and actually generate forever lasting change and stability within your life. It's something beautiful. I would pay personally $120,000 for anything, and I really mean this, anything that's even similar to bring, that amount of value into me and my businesses, right? Without a thought. This is a fraction of the cost. Not even, you know what I mean? Like, it's nowhere near that. But that's what I would pay. And so would many others. So if you're on the fence about something like this, maybe it's not for you. Maybe you don't want that life. Maybe you don't want to better yourself. But if you want the good life, and I'm not saying, do a little bit and get a lot. No, you have to put in the work. As always, you always have to put in the work. But after you put in that work, you're going to feel a lot better because you're going to be generating something special and unheard of from anyone and anywhere else. The time is now to change your life. The time is now.